Hey y'all, this your girl Lolly, and today we're gonna be cooking stewed chicken and broccoli and cheese. And you can also use this to just make stewed chicken and broccoli. For people that don't like dairy products or can't eat dairy products, you can actually, just make the stewed chicken and broccoli. But yeah, so anyways, let's get into it real quick. I always clean out the sink before I put the chicken in. I don't know why. I fill up the pot first and then I dump the chicken in the sink. I don't know. It's just a habit. Anyways, we rinse the chicken off piece by piece and then I put them back in the pot. Yes. Let's see. So yeah, we rinse that chicken really, really good. We put it all in the pot. That's probably why I have a habit of soaking the chicken first. I don't know. It's something I used to see my grandma do. So I soak the chicken in hot water. Then I rinse the chicken off. And I put it all back in the pot. But yeah, so let's get into it real quick. Let's finish up with this chicken. I can explain some more to you guys exactly what I do. So now we're gonna take some butter. We're gonna cut it in half. We're gonna add a half a stick in our chicken. So we would put the chicken on the stove with no water. So we would put the butter in. Then we would season it. As you can see, I use the adobo, audible, or however you say it. And then you always have to season with garlic powder and onion powder. And I love Complete Season by Badia. Ooh, or Badia, however you say it. Oh, trust me, the onion powder and the garlic powder, you gotta have those. And Complete Seasoning, you cannot go wrong with those. Please make sure you season it with that. Season it to your liking. Then we're gonna add some black pepper. Yeah. Gonna stir that thing around. We're gonna brown the chicken. That's what we're doing. Right now we're browning the chicken. Gonna mix that up really, really good. Sorry, I'm rubbing my eye. Oh, look, yeah. Mix that round. Oh, if y'all could smell this. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, you seen that pause? Ow. Yeah. I should have really let y'all see my friend eating it. When I cook this, yeah, she be right there waiting. Yeah, the seasoning. The older I get, the more and more I start acting like my damn grandma. It's too funny. What we doing now? Yeah, so we cook that chicken down. We brown it. Because of my shadow, you guys can't see how golden it is, but it's very golden. It's pretty. So now, we don't pour that water out. Now we're going to boil that chicken down. I can't really give you a time on the chicken because it depends on how hot the stove get and what kind of pot you got. But what we're going to do is we're going to bring that to a boil. We don't pour anything out once we get it to this point. Every time it cooked down, we would just add more water. So like I said, this part, you need to cook that chicken till that chicken is breaking off that bone. And then now, while that's coming to a boil and we're getting that chicken to cook down, we're going to open some cheese. Yes, it's Kraft Singles. That's what you need. We're just going to peel the packs while we're waiting for that to come to the boil. That way you can kill some time. That's what we're doing right here. So, we're opening our cheese. I don't know. I just like this part. That's why I'm showing it. I'm just sitting here looking at it myself. Yeah, but anyway, so we're going to open up this cheese. We got another pack of cheese over there. I usually like to use sharp cheddar, but I didn't have it. But I do have the Fiesta blend. I use that for tacos. You can also put that in here. If you like a sharper taste, you go ahead and you add the cheddar. But either way, you going to enjoy. Either way. So, yeah. And as you can see here, I got the frozen broccoli. It's the same, but you have to make sure it's raw. Get the frozen broccoli, and then you get the cheese. That's really all you need in your seasonings. Other than that, you're straight. But yeah, I don't know. I just enjoy the cheese opening part. That's like my favorite part. I don't know why. I feel like a kid when I'm opening the cheese, and then I really be meditating when I'm doing these little things like that when I'm cooking. I really enjoy cooking. It makes me feel good. Now, I'm going to show you an old school way to make rice. I used to watch my grandma make rice like this. People might not like this, but this is old school country. If you ain't got all the measuring cups and all that there, you're going to do it like this here. Now, that's it. Yeah, so you'll take your little thing, make sure your hands clean. Y'all be digging in your booties. Man, nasty. Anyways, yeah, you're going to wrench that around. Yeah, you heard me. Wrench around. Wrench it out. That's the old school way. Ain't got no rice drainer. We ain't up there yet. We ain't there yet. We on the way though. But yeah. So we're gonna wrench that off. We're gonna wrench that again. Wrench around, wrench it out. Pull that out. Make sure you get all that off of this old school way. So now, this is how I measure how much water I'm gonna use. I'll put my hand on top of the rice, and I'll make sure that rice is in the middle of the pot. And then I will put my hand in, and I put the water over my hand. That's why you got to make sure your hands are clean. So remember, I watch my grandma make rice like this. I don't know how y'all make rice, but this is how I make rice, and it be so good. You should try it. One day I'll do a video showing y'all how I make my rice. Then I'm going to take not a half stick, I guess that's a quarter stick of butter, and put it in there. And then I go get the adobe seasoning. It's a certain kind I use in my rice. It gives my rice like this green tint. And I use that adobe right there for everything. I don't think it's nothing I cook that I don't use that. You need to try that. So you would mix that around. I really don't usually cover it up like that, but yeah, I need to pull that top off of there. Because I don't usually cover that up right away. I usually let it come to a boil first, then but anyway, so now we're going to open our broccoli. Yeah, we're going to rinse that broccoli off. We ain't going to just pour that in the pot. We're not doing that. That's nasty. Wash your damn broccoli. Now look. Y'all just look at this. Tell me what y'all see me do. Look at that. What the hell? Girl. What is you? Okay. I don't know. Maybe y'all didn't see that. If you saw it, put it down in the comments. Just messing with, just doing stuff. Okay. But they do shrink. Once you put that hot water and rinse the broccoli off, look how much it shrinks. But we don't need that much for that pot. I just stuck my hand back in it again. I don't know why I keep doing that. So now look, we done cooked that chicken down. Chicken is down. Now we're going to add that broccoli in there. That means the chicken is falling off the bones. If you see me putting that broccoli in there, that chicken already falling off the bone. See how it done cooked down? I wish y'all could smell this. And see this part right here, for people that don't eat dairy, you can stew the chicken, stew that broccoli in there, and use those seasonings I've been telling y'all about. Mm-hmm. Now now that's real good. Mm-hmm. That's for you people that don't eat dairy. You can eat this. Trust me. Ask me how to make it. I'll show you how to make it. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that chicken falling off that bone. Mm-hmm. Gonna let that blend real good. Get it going. We're gonna have to add water in once it gets to really going. Because you want them flavors like that to steep inside the chicken and steep inside the broccoli. So we get them flavors going right there. Whew. And we're gonna add our water. Be careful with the water. You don't want to change the flavor of the food. Now we're going to get this to come to another boil. Make sure you keep stirring. That's why I say you can always keep adding your water, but just add a little at a time. Don't ever, but you can't take it out once you put it in. Remember that. Mm-hmm. Oh, boy, I know y'all wish y'all could smell that. Things smell good. Now we got it going to a boil. We're going to add our cheese. It's just something about the cheese. Yeah, look at that. It's when I get to the cheese part, that's my favorite part. Everything I cook, I have a favorite part that I like to get to. It's like I work up to that part. And then after that, I'll be cool sailing after that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look at that. It's my favorite part. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all favorite part of it is. Mm-hmm. Mix that thing up real good. Mix that thing up. Get on in there. Get down in there. You gotta scoop. So now we're going to add a little Fiesta cheese. It really should have been cheddar because that cheddar be hitting. But this one hits too. But if you like a sharp taste, you got to go and get that cheddar. Add that cheddar in there, boy. Mm-hmm. I'm going to mix that in there. See how soupy it is right now? When you turn the stove off and it starts to sit and simmer, all of that is going to thicken up. But it's still going to be soupy, but a thicker, it's there. I can't even explain what it's going to be doing. But boy, I'm telling y'all, you had nothing till you had nothing till you tasted it. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Ooh, look at that. Y'all see that? Mm, 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 mm. Look at that. Look at the rice. Oh, the rice so good, y'all. Trust me. Oh, it's so good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Look at that rice. Nice and fluffy. And it tastes so good. So good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Now we're gonna scoop up some of this here stewed chicken and broccoli and cheese. Put that there on top of there. Mm-hmm. Mm. Who y'all just don't know. You just don't know. Look at this. Somebody look at this. Mm-hmm.